All students be ready to start.
Welcome to you in Math Airlines. Today we'll speak about the equations. What's the meaning of equation in math? It's a relation between two sides or equal. One of them is a constant and the other is a variable. What is the equation in math? If I say Khalid bought 1 kilogram of apple by 60 pounds, how can I write it as the equation? I say Khalid bought 1 kilogram of apple, so I can write 1 apple equals he bought 1 kilogram by how much money? By 60 pounds. So I have here a letter. We can cancel one because A meaning 1A. When I say Muhammad, it refers to one Muhammad. When I say Khalid, it refers to one Khalid. When I say only A, it refers to one A. A equals 60. We can say that A is variable. What's the meaning of a variable? Variable can be changed and it must be a letter in math. Variable can be changed because A in this equation is 60. In other equation, A can be by 1, by 2, by 3, by 50, by 80. And 60, which is a number, is constant. Why? Because of if I have now 60 pounds and I put them in my bag, after 1 year, can they change it or they will still as 60 pounds? Still as 60 pounds. But if I put today 1 kilogram of apple by 60 pounds, tomorrow, can I put it by 60? I don't know. It can be by 70, by 50, or still at 60, but it will be changed tomorrow or after tomorrow or the next year or the next week or the next month. So again, the equation is a relation between two sides. Left hand side here, left hand side, and here right hand side. So it's a relation between two sides, between them equal. And the name of equations comes from equal. Equation equals relation between two sides or okay. How can the equations come to us? If I tell you x plus 5 equal 8. In the equation, he tells you to find the value of your variable. He tells you he wants x. How can we get x? We have two methods. By using the bar model and by using the inverse of your method. How? First, use the bar model. What's the bar model said? The bar model is a rectangle, part plus part equal to what is this? Down we have plus. The two together, here plus. And up and down, minus. How can we answer it? I say down part plus part. Which two parts add with themselves? Excellent, x and 5. So write here x and write here 5. And all the total of x and 5, 8. I want x, so hide x with your finger. 8 up and 5 down. When I have up and down, making minus. So I can write x equals 8 minus 5 equal 3. This method by use bar model Can I make other method? Yes, by using the inverse. What's the meaning of inverse? We see that the equation look like a balanced scale. I have here x plus 5 and here 8. I want in my left hand side x only. What is the inverse of plus 5? Minus 5, and put here minus 5. They are cancelled together, and the remainder with me here only x. So x equal 8 minus 5 gives me 3. I hope you understand this. Another one. If I say I put 2 kilograms of banana by 20, $20. 1 kilogram of banana equals what? 2 banana or 2b, it means 2 multiplying by b. So you must here make the inverse of multiplying. We can use only the bar model in plus and minus, but times or divided we can't use bar model. I have here 2 times b. What's the inverse of multiplying? Excellent, divided. So we can divide both of them by the number which is nearest or touching your variable. I have here 2, so divided here by 2 and here by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives me 1, and b meaning 1b or 1 banana equal 20 divided to $10. I hope you understand this. Let's take another one. If I tell you 2y plus 4 equals 18, this is called the equation, and he tells you he wants to find y. You have here plus and times. Which one will you start with? I can start by both of them, but the easiest to start with plus. I can put minus 4, or we can say subtract 4 from the two sides. So write first y plus 4 and let some space, and then equals 18. I will put what? Minus 4. So here minus 4 and here minus 4. So 2y 18 minus 4, 14. This is the first step. The second step, 2y, 2 multiplied by y. The inverse of multiplying is dividing. So divide by 2 over 2 over 2. So y equal 14 divided to 7. Excellent. I hope you understand this. Another one. Py minus 5 equals 10. Py minus 5 equals 10. How can we answer? We can start by both of them, minus or divided, or times, sorry. The inverse of minus is plus, so add 5, both sides. Py minus 5 and let some space equals 10. And write by different color, plus 5 here, plus 5 here. 5 cancelled by 5. So I have 3y equal 10 plus 5, 15. 3y meaning 3 multiplied by y. So we can divide by, which number is nearest to y? 3, very good. Divide by 3. So 3y equals 15. Here divided by 3, here divided by 3. Y equals 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. I hope you understand this. Another one. If we have m divided by 5 equals 3. M over 5 or m divided by 5. What's the inverse of divided? Multiply. Very good. Or times. So multiply by 5. So m over 5 equal 3. And multiply here by 5 by 5. So m equals, because 5 will be cancelled by 5 gives me 1, 15. Very good. M minus 2 equals 4. How can we make it by the power model? This is the last one. In power model, I have part plus part equal whole. But here I have whole minus part. So write the greater number up m, because I subtract from m and gives me 4. So m is the greatest. M minus 2 equals 4. So I have here two numbers together in part plus part. So add them. So m equals 2 plus 4 equals 6. I hope you understand what we take, and see you in the next session in Math Airlines. Thank you. Goodbye.